Welcome. If you're looking to make Discord easier on the eyes or just want to tweak the way things look, adjusting the contrast on Discord Mobile is a quick and simple way to do it. Whether you need higher contrast for better visibility or just want to personalize your experience, I'll walk you through the updated steps to change the contrast on your Discord app. First things first, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture to open up your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Accessibility. Go ahead and tap on Accessibility. This section is where Discord keeps all the features designed to make the app easier to use for everyone, including the contrast settings. Inside the Accessibility menu, you'll find a section dedicated to contrast. Here, you'll see a slider that lets you adjust the contrast level. Slide it to the right for higher contrast, which makes text and background stand out more sharply. Slide it to the left for lower contrast, which can give the app a softer look. As you move the slider, you'll notice the changes take effect right away, so you can find the level that feels just right for your eyes. Once you're happy with your selection, you can simply exit the settings. Your new contrast preference will be saved automatically, and you can always come back to adjust it again if you need to. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've customized your Discord experience to better fit your needs. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Discord look.